Dear children, how are you all? Are you studying sincerely? Today we will study our moral science sixth lesson. What's the heading? Arrow and his brother. In this lesson, we are going to study a small story. Main point we will study about forgiveness. Now, children, what is this forgiveness? Forgive means to pardon. One usage is there, forgive and forget. What's the meaning? It means to pardon somebody completely for a past wrongdoing. Now, children, tell me what's the importance of forgiveness? Why is it important to learn to forgive other people's mistakes? Do you forgive others' mistakes? Okay, children, now we will study this lesson. From this lesson, you will understand the importance of forgiveness. Listen this part. Arrow loved his brother, but his brother made him mad. He seemed to keep on doing things that made Arrow feel bad. He took his radio outside and never brought it back. He ate the cookies that Arrow wanted to have for a snack. See, here you could see two brothers. Can you tell their names? Yes, elder one was Varav and the younger one was Arad. That is, you'll see. In every house, we could see some are quiet and some are very naughty. Here, who is naughty, children? Yes, Arad. What did he do? He took Arav's radio outside the house. Then, after some time, he will come back. He won't take back his radio inside. Sometimes they get cookies from their parents. Arad eat Arav's cookies that he had kept to eat after some time. While watching the TV, Arad changed the channels. He will pull dirty pot on Arrow's toe. Actually, Arrow loved his brother. But because of all this naughtiness, Arrow became mad at Arad. See, slowly he became very angry with his brother. Arad was enjoying by doing all these things. Always Arad came to have fun with his brother. For him, all these were only fun. Arrow carried an enmity, a grudge in his mind. Next part, see children. What is it? Arrow complained about the bad things his brother had done. Arrow refused to play with him because he held a grudge. Arrow said that he was sorry, but still Arrow wouldn't budge. Arrow tried and tried to make amends to get Arrow to play. But Arrow said, I am mad at you and you should go away. So finally Arrow gave up. He went outside to play alone. And Arrow watched him from the window playing on his own. What does this part tell us? Arrow complained about his brother to parents. They told him to forgive him. After some time he will be okay, etc. etc. So many things. Next, what Arrow did? Next time when Arad asked him to play with him, he refused. He didn't go. Arad need one companion to play, so he said sorry to him. But Arad was not ready to forgive. He made him happy. Arad said many things to make Arad happy. Arad said many things. Arad tried his best to get Arad to play. See, in this picture, you can see that this Arad is compelling, but Arad was not ready. But Arad said he won't come because he is angry with him. So, get out from here. Last Arad understood he won't come. So, Arad went out to play alone. When Arad was playing, Arad sat near the window and watched his brothers play. Now, see this picture. What is it? Arad is sitting near the window and Arad he was playing. Now, next part we will see. Arad kicked a ball around the yard while looking very sad. Then Arav thought, what did Arav do that really was so bad? He did say he was sorry, but Arav would not forgive. Arav learned just how wrong he was to have a heart of stone. He started feeling sorry for the things that he had done. Here we could see Arad was sad and he was playing. By seeing his face, Arav felt so bad. Now he is thinking about past things. Here he means Arav. Arav told many times sorry, but he didn't forgive. Arav did some small mistakes only. Arav thought that he had a heart of stone. Now he wanted to forgive Arav. Now see children, last part. He hoped Arad would forgive him so they both could have some fun. He forgot all the bad things Arad had ever done before. And being with his brother seemed to matter so much more. So Arad went outside and found Arad underneath a tree. He said, I am sorry, Arad. Do you think you can forgive me? Then Arad said, forgive you? I thought that you were mad at me. They both forgave each other. It was such a sight to see. They kicked the ball together and had fun. They learned that to forgive each other is not very hard. It does no good to hold a grudge or push others away. It is best to put the past behind and make a better day. Just then Arav kicked the ball and it hit Arav in the head. Arav thought he would be mad again. His face was turning red. But Arav said he was sorry and Arav said, that is okay. I guess we are lucky I learned how to forgive you today. Now, he wanted to ask sorry to Arad. In this paragraph we have seen. He also wanted to join. Here he means Arav. Also wanted to join with his younger brother and wanted to have some fun. He forgot all the mistakes that he had done by Arad. So slowly Arav went outside. He saw Arad was sitting under a tree. He asked pardon from him. Arad was so happy to see his brother there because he thought that Arav would not forgive him. They forgave each other. It was a very good sight. They embraced each other. They started to play together. There was a lot of fun. Now they understood that it was easy to forgive. Enmity is very bad. Forget the past and live in this present time. While they were playing, Arad kicked the ball and the ball hit Arav's head. Arav thought that everything was gone. He told him sorry for that. Then suddenly Arav said, no problem, brother. Now I learned how to forgive you. Today onwards we should be happy. Hello children, how is the story? Now you understood, no, the importance of forgiveness. So forgive each other. Then we will be happy. Okay, our lesson is over. Read the lesson, study the question answers and fill in the blanks. Thank you children.